Hello students, myself Arshal Nilkanta Nemade, lecturer in Mechanical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, starting with practical number 3 of Basic Mechanical Engineering. Aim, study of a gas turbine model components with a function, advantage and disadvantage. Okay, this is a gas turbine model I have shown in figure. Okay, compressor, regenerator, combustion chamber, gas turbine, okay, alternator, starter motor. We'll study function. Components are, the major components are regenerator, combustion chamber, compressor, alternator, starter motor, gas turbine. We'll study one by one each and every function and advantage and disadvantage. Say regenerator. A regenerator is a device which recovers the heat from the exhaust gas to the air from the compressor. The exhaust is passed through the regenerator before releasing to the atmosphere. Several number of the tubes are nested in the shell of the compressor. The compressor air passes through this tube and exhaust gases from the gas turbine passes through the shell side, which transfer the heat to the compressed air. In this way, compressed air heated by the exhaust gas, which is effectively uses the waste gases. Second one is combustion chamber. This is one of the important component of the gas power plant, where the high pressure air is from the compressor is entered to wire regenerator. The air from the regenerator is quietly heated, which is not adequate to drive the gas turbine. Only the hot air which with high pressure can only drive the gas turbine. So in the combustion chamber, the compressed air is heated up to the high temperature 3000 Fahrenheit. The heat is added to the air by burning oil, which is injected through the burner into the chamber of the high pressure. The heated air with the high pressure is then applied to the gas turbine after it attains the suitable temperature. Compressor. The compressor used in gas power plant is rotate type. The air at the atmospheric pressure is drawn by the compressor through the filter, which removes the dust. The rotary blade in the air compressor pushes the air through the stationary blade to raise the pressure. Thus, the air which is high pressure is available to the compressor output. Alternator. Alternator is directly coupled with the gas turbine, same as in case of the steam power plant. Alternator converts mechanical energy to the turbine into the electrical energy. The output generated electrical energy is then passed to the grid through the generator, transform, isolator and circuit breaker. Starter motor. Starter motor is the place to start the compressor before starting the plant. This works as initially driving components for the compressor. The starter motor is coupled to the shaft of the gas turbine. For this purpose, once the gas turbine starts rotating, some parts of the mechanical energy is used to drive the compressor and the starter motor is turned off. The starter motor is driven by the batteries. Gas turbine. This is the heart of the component of a gas power plant. The hot air with the high pressure and the temperature is passed through the gas turbine. The gases are expanded on the gas turbine blades, which cause the rotation of a blade to indeed mechanical work. After expanding, the exhaust gases with the temperature above the 900 Fahrenheit are applied to the regenerator. Advantages of gas power plant. The design of the gas power plant is simple compared to the steam power plant, as compared that it does not require the boiler or its auxiliaries, occupies less space and size compared to the steam power plant, where the boiler and feed arrangements is not needed. Initially, operation costs are lower compared to the other plant. Gas turbines are simple in construction compared to the steam turbine, and maintenance of them is also less. It required less water compared to the steam power plant, where the condenser is required. It can be started with a less time for a cold condition. Disadvantages of gas turbine power plant. The efficiency and the net output power plant is less. About some amount of the mechanical power is used to drive the compressor. Initially external power is needed to drive the compressor until the power plant starts generating. Okay, advantage, disadvantage and function we have seen. Thank you.